Welcome to Firefish Software and Payemoji WhatsApp Business Service. We enable recruitment agencies to grow through engaging candidates on WhatsApp with conversational AI. Why should recruitment agencies consider WhatsApp for business? Recruiters are using a personal WhatsApp to engage candidates today, and their CRM is not updated. Everything is manual with no handoffs to other staff. Payemoji allows recruiters to start a conversation, update candidate records, run bulk WhatsApp campaigns, all from your Firefish account. With conversational AI, automate hiring tasks over WhatsApp like apply for a job, update details, upload CV, and more. Payemoji offers WhatsApp recruitment templates that can be customized to your agency, allowing you to scale your engagement through WhatsApp. For example, request candidates for additional information, announce new jobs, request CV uploads, and many more. With WhatsApp AI trained to your recruitment business, candidates can ask any question like latest jobs, what are the salary for a particular role, and many more. Payemoji works right from your Firefish account with every WhatsApp conversation recorded. You can send individual messages with call to actions like I'm interested or latest jobs. From your Firefish account, you can select talent pools or save lists and then send bulk WhatsApp messages. A campaign manager allows you to engage candidates in bulk with personalized messages synced with your talent pools from Firefish. Reports show you how your campaign is performing so you can adjust and get the most out of your campaigns. At any time, recruiters can enter a chat over WhatsApp with candidates using a shared inbox. Every conversation between your recruiters and candidates, whether individual WhatsApp messages or bulk campaigns, is saved in your Firefish account as a candidate record. With Firefish and Payemoji, you will never miss another conversation. Enabling Payemoji is done in the Firefish integration setting. Any super user can go to Settings, then Integration and Messaging, and then click Enable for Payemoji. But don't worry, Payemoji will help you to get everything set up. Start WhatsApp conversations from Firefish. Update Firefish candidate records with conversations. Run bulk WhatsApp campaigns with a campaign manager. Automate hiring tasks with conversational AI over WhatsApp. You can try our demo today. All you do is scan the QR code and experience Firefish and Payemoji WhatsApp for business. Thank you.